Working on the old Dodge D200 today. First things first, disconnect your ground. So I messed up my little flux capacitor here, pulled it a little bit too far, and found out that the GM one might work. I cannot find a Dodge one anywhere. Pain in the ass things. Disconnect that, cut this. Now in order to make these work, I gotta clip these two little tabs just so it fits nicely on the bolt. Looks shiny. Now welcome to the stage, Candy! Pour some sugar on me. Candy's at work. She only works when she gets paid. Nice view of my arm there. Sorry guys, that's all you see of Candy. Oh, there's my other crimpers. Crimping tool. Reconnect the ground, and done, she runs! Woo!